Guys, Temi here, TMI. Welcome to Temi's Beautiful Thoughts. So today I want to share with you guys an update of my low buy. Yeah. I hope you guys are not going to judge me, okay? But anyway, so first things first, I'm going to remove some things out of my February makeup basket and put some things back in. So let's start with what I'm taking out first. So I'm taking out this blush by City Colors and Wet n Wild highlighter, and then I'm taking out all these lipsticks. Guys, I wore this black lipstick to work several times. Actually, check out my Instagram if you think I'm lying. I was rocking this black lipstick. So this beloved eyeshadow that my I'm blinding you guys, sorry. This eyeshadow that my mom gave me, yeah, that's what I'm actually wearing in my eyes today. It's really pretty. I actually enjoyed it. I was able to get a couple of looks from it. And if you guys want to see the kind of looks I got from it, I actually do something where I post my weekly makeup looks on my Instagram. If you guys are interested, I'll link my Instagram page below. So that is from my everyday basket. Now I have another basket that I use for like when I'm going to church on Sunday. I don't use my everyday makeup for Sunday, so I'm taking out some stuff from that basket. I'm taking out this Sleek contour kit, my Ofra highlighter in Blissful, Subculture palette. I actually enjoyed using this, and my NYX Sugar Trip squad. We're giving those a rest, okay? All right, now what's going into my stash this month? So let's start with lipsticks. So a deep color, this is like a deep purple, and I have these two really bright colors. I mean, spring is around the corner, so I'm hoping if I wear this color, it would let spring know that hurry up and come, because it's cold. Guys, we had a ice storm today. Ugh. This weather does not know what it wants to do, seriously. And this new lipstick shade from Loreal, it's a signature or something, signature rouge matte lipsticks. Yeah, I'm gonna upload a video of me swatching it, so that should come later on after this video. I'm sure after this video. And then this butter lipstick from NYX. So 5. So we need a highlighter, right? Highlighter from Wet n Wild again. This one is called Crown of My Canopy. And then this e.l.f. mineral blush in Wanderlust. I love this color as well. I love that blush. And then I'm adding this single eyeshadow. It's like this single eyeshadow. It's like a reddish brown, deep reddish brown. It's from, who is it by? Devitt. It's called Plantain. I got it from this discount website. So my eyeshadow for the month of March is gonna be this. I used to love this shadow. I used to love it so much. It has like a lot of like purples and mauves. It's a cool tone palette. It's from L'Oreal. It's L'Oreal La Palette Nude 2. Yeah. Okay, that's that. Now for my Sunday or special occasion basket, I think the only thing I'm adding is this. It's my Rae Rae and BH Cosmetics collaboration. Now this is all in one, right? It has eyeshadows, then it has, can you guys see? Let me see how I can make this work so you guys can see. And what? Oh, I just dug my fingers into it. Oh crap. Okay, what is wrong with these lights? Anyway, it has 3 highlighters and 3 bronzers, and the good thing is I can use one of the bronzer, like contour, as a contour, and then I can use one of the powders as like all over face powder and one as like a highlight, like under eye setting powder. Pretty much have everything I need for eyeshadow and face. Okay, that's what is going out and what's coming in. Now my low buy, how did I do? Okay. Oh gosh. Okay, you guys remember I said I'm not necessarily counting the things that I buy with coupons. So I bought a lot of things with coupons that is not going in my collection. So I mean, so that one is separate. Okay, so my one item for February was this concealer. Oh, I love this concealer actually. It's really nice. It's the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear concealer. It's really good, and I need just a little bit, and it pairs really well with the Fresh Wear foundation. Remember, this was my January purchase. This is my February purchase. Right. Now you guys are thinking, what did I finish? Right, what is that? Okay, you see this tiny little concealer, guys? It's like almost, I have to like do like this. I have to even roll it to get some out. So I think maybe I have maybe like 1 or 2 applications left of this, and I should be done. Now the things that technically I shouldn't have bought, but I bought anyway. Oh guys, okay, I bought a brush set. Oh, okay, let me explain why I bought it. Right, so I went to Target 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, sometime in the middle of the month, and this brush set was on clearance for like 50% off. No, I think it was like $9. It was originally $30, so it was $9. I'm like, oh my god, great deal. But guys, I walked away. Oh, I was so proud of myself. I was like, yes, I walked away. I resisted the temptation. So today I go to Target, but I really wanted the brush, so I walked away even knowing that I wanted it, but I'm like, okay, I'm not gonna get it. When I went to Target today, I didn't expect to find it, but I found this lonely looking brush set just chilling, and guess what? It was even lower than when I was there 2 weeks ago. It was $4, $5. I'm like, nah, something is telling me, Temi, you need this brush in your life. I'm just joking. Anyway, this is the brush set. It's just 3 brush sets, 3 brushes and I got it for $4.54. So yeah, I got it. I'm not going to feel guilty about buying it. Yeah, I think considering, I think I'm pretty much doing okay, because this concealer I probably paid maybe $2 for it, even though it's like $11.99, and I, you know, because I use coupons and stuff. So the other thing that I bought that this week, and that's the Physicians Formula. I've been wanting this palette for a while, and the moment that I've had a coupon, I bought it, because I know the Physicians Formula does not come out with coupons often. So I had a Physicians Formula $3 off coupon, then I had coupon from CVS, and then Physicians Formula was like buy $15 get $10 back. So this is $17.99. I paid $2.99 for it. So yes, I bought it, because I know that maybe the next time Physicians Formula comes out with a palette is like not palette, next time they come out with a coupon, for us coupon lovers, is going to be next year, and I was not willing to wait. But I'm going to keep to my words, and I'm going to give this away. I mean, I don't use this palette anyway. I'm going to give this to one of my friends. It's a very neutral toned palette. If I'm one of my friends or one of my sisters, I'm going to give that away. But I'm really, really interested. Do you guys want me to try? If you guys want me to try this palette out on a video, like you want to review, let me know. It's the Physicians Formula Butter eyeshadow palette. And then the other thing I bought is the Physicians Formula loose powder. This one too, I got it for $2.99, and it's originally $17.99. I bought a bunch of Physicians Formula items because, like I said, I had a coupon, and I know that coupon, people that coupon know that Physicians Formula, maybe you get one coupon a year if you're lucky. We got one coupon last year, so when I just made sure that I picked up the things that I wanted to pick up. So that's everything. I have a couple of empties, but I think what I'm going to do with empties is I'm going to do it every 3 months. So I'm going to do my first empties at the end of March, beginning of April, you know. But so this month, what have I learned, right? Okay, so I did pretty well with like buying clothes this month. I don't think I bought any clothes. Yeah, I don't think I bought any clothing this month. Let's actually pat that. Give myself a pat on the back. And what else? I have gone to, okay, yesterday I was so tempted to place an order. If you guys don't know, so today is February 28th. Elf started a 50% off of $30 order or more on their website. They started yesterday, that's the 27th. And I went on their site. I'm like, oh, I really want their foundation and their concealer. So I put a bunch of stuff in my cart, and it was $29. I'm like, okay, that's too much. I removed some stuff. It was $24. I'm like, I almost bought it, but then I'm like, because I have $24 on one of my couponing sites that I could have used, but I'm like, you know what, I could use that $24 to buy my son some diapers. So I just left. I left Elf alone. Bye bye, Elf. Because you know, the truth of the situation is Elf would have a 50% off again more than once this year. So I think that was why I was able to be like, okay, Temi, you're not really missing anything. You know they're going to come out with another 50% off, and maybe then, you know, I can pick something up then. But not now. Not now. So I think I'm doing good with my low buy. Oh yeah, I bought some lipsticks. Okay, you guys see this lipstick? Okay, so I bought 6 of them to swatch for my video. So, but then again, I'm not counting that, because out of the 6 that I bought, I'm only keeping that one. I'm not keeping the other ones. I'm gonna give them away to friends. And again, I bought them with coupons, so I don't even think I paid anything for it. And if I did, I think I paid like $1 or something. I mean, $1 is still money, but to me, it was worth it for me to buy it and use it for a video to give you guys like a swatch to see. So that's everything, guys. Wish me luck for this March. It's been interesting few weeks. My mother-in-law used to be with us. She went back to Nigeria, so it's just me, my husband, and my son, and it's a learning process. But God is seeing us through it, through some sleepless nights. My son has been coughing and he can't really sleep well at night, but it will be better. It will be better. I know it'll be better in Jesus' name. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what your thoughts are. Do you guys think I should be doing something differently? Am I completely failing at this low buy? Let me know, seriously. You guys can be as honest as possible. Again, just be respectful, you know. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and make sure you like and subscribe and comment down below your opinions, your thoughts, advice. You know, give me advice if you have any. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye. So thank you so much for stopping by.